Let me taste them. Who doesn't want to taste dessert anyway? So this is the one with just whipping cream. This is light. It's almost like eating a soft ice cream kind of cake or pie, but it's very good. I love having the creme de menthe and creme de coco. So I love that. I love the green color, the crust. I think it's all great. It's just a little lighter than I think this one will be, but let me think. Hey, hi you guys, I'm Amy and you're in my little kitchen. I've got a lot of stuff going on here. We are making grasshopper pie today. So let's start with the crust because we got to get that in the fridge for a little bit. And then we'll start with the cream, and then it really just either refrigerates or you put it in the freezer and you're a done deal. So easy peasy, I hope. So let's get going. Typically I cannot find just like chocolate cookie crumbs. So we're gonna use some Oreo cookies. So I chose to do a chocolate sandwich one and give that a try instead of the chocolate sandwich cookies with the white cream. So we're just gonna dump 30 of them in. 1, 22, okay, that's 23. We would have enough of the chocolate sandwich cookies if I didn't eat a little bit of them. 28, 29, 30, we'll do one for good measure. Put the marshmallow cream in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and I think it'll be palatable enough when I add the whipping cream. It's gonna be a good crust either way. So I have about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of butter in here. Okay, press this down, make sure it comes up the sides. Okay, I think this is done. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and we're gonna continue on making the rest of it. We're gonna have like 2 cups of whipping cream. So some of this whipping cream, we're gonna add in 2/3, 3/4 of a cup. Let's start off with 2/3. I'll try not to splash it all over me. And that's why you just want to heat up, soften the marshmallow cream a little bit. We're going to add a little bit of this stuff. And this comes in green or clear, if I can open it. About 1/4 of a cup. Just going to go ahead and use this. Oh, see how it turns the green color? And if you want it more green, just add food coloring. I don't want to overdo it on the liqueur. A little more than I normally would. Because this is liqueur, you know, I don't want to get too crazy on it. Oh yeah, look at that nice green color. And this will get diluted a little bit with the whipping cream. So we're going to set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and get my beaters and we're going to make the whipped cream. Okay, so I added my liqueur. This is setting here, the marshmallow cream with a little bit of whipping cream. And now we're going to actually make whipping cream and fold it into this mixture. So I need and I'm just going to still use this since it's green anyway. I need a cup. Need 1/3. And this will probably take maybe about 15 minutes. No, 5. It better be done in 5. Chris and I have somewhere to go to in like 10 minutes. So I'm going to continue to whip. And we are going to incorporate, fold in the whipping cream. Because you don't want to mash down the whipping cream, but you want to incorporate it, fold it in. And I'm going to try and scoop this so the cookies don't get all mixed in. So I'm going to sprinkle some of the cookies crumbs on here that I reserved. I reserved too much, but that's okay. There we go. Okay, this will go into my freezer for a couple hours, and hopefully all the ladies will like it at Bunko night, or your family, or my kids, because I have a feeling I'm gonna be making this a lot more, because this is so easy. Okay, I'll see you back. Hey, hi, Amy, I am back. We're in my little kitchen. I went ahead and made 2 different kinds of grasshopper pie, but I didn't have time to taste it before all of these ladies came over to my house to play Bunko. So here I am. I'm going to do a little taste test. This one over here I made with cream cheese, a little bit of marshmallow cream, and whipping cream. It really depends on what you like. I did not have to put this in the freezer. I put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. It holds up well, I think, without having to put it in the freezer, or if it, sits out for a little bit, as it, gets a little bit warmer. This one is probably what I would call more the traditional grasshopper pie. This is just really marshmallow cream or marshmallow fluff and whipping cream. This one I would probably recommend you do put it in the freezer. You only need to do that for about a couple hours. If you do put it in the refrigerator, I would probably recommend 4 to 6 maybe. So anyway, let me taste them. Who doesn't want to taste dessert anyway? So this is the one with just whipping cream. This is light. It's almost like eating a soft ice cream kind of cake or pie, but it's very good. I love having the creme de menthe and creme de coco. So I love that. I love the green color, the crust. I think it's all great. It's just a little lighter than I think this one will be, but let me think. You know what? This is light too. You wouldn't think, having used the cream cheese, it may have been a little bit heavier. It is a little bit, how should I say, thicker or heavier than just the whipping cream, but they're both light, and I cannot make up my mind because it just really depends. I like them both, but if you like more of a cream cheesy kind of taste, then you're probably going to go for this. So anyway, guess what? Check it out over at Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, because the one recipe contains 2 different ways to make it. And if you do happen to make this, I would love to hear about which one that you would prefer. The one just with whipping cream and marshmallow cream, or the one with a little bit, some cream cheese, a little bit of marshmallow cream, and whipping cream. So anyway, you decide for me, because I can't make up my mind. So check it out over at Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. So thank you for being here, and keep gathering around the table with family and friends. So till next time, bye.